This is the Tara Condominiums in Commack, New York. We removed the wood that was in between the concrete. It was old and rotted, but we actually replaced the wood about 2 years ago with polymeric sand. The polymeric sand company claims that will hold up very well, but it didn't. So as a courtesy, we actually removed the polymeric sand and we are installing stones with the resin. It's a urethane resin. So we are refilling the joints with this new product. This can also be used to do complete patio. But we're going to refill the joints with the resin. You refill the first gap between the coping. But we're going to finish and refill all the gaps that were left by removing the wood and then the polymeric sand that failed. The filling of the joints is completed. We did the resin stones throughout the pool patio. What we used was a urethane, one component resin that we mixed with the stones specifically made to be used with the resins. The stones and the urethane both are manufactured in Italy. We are importers of the product. Very nice contrast and very durable material. This will not deteriorate like the polymeric sand did. Stone resins installed by Gappsi in Commack, New York.